What's up, my people? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all well. It's Denise here. So today I would like us to learn how to fry scrambled eggs with pieces of bread. Please subscribe, comment, share, and also smash that like button if what you're going to watch is nice. Let's go. So we're going to cut our bread into pieces. As you can see, it needs to be the same shape. You do it carefully so that you don't cut your fingers. Yes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell so that you could be notified every time I upload a video. And also in the comment section, you can write what you really want me to prepare or what you really want me to talk about in our country. Yes, I can make some research. So afterwards, you're going to put in our 2 eggs in a bowl because we need eggs as well. So we are going to whisk the eggs, or we are going to beat the eggs, the easier English. So afterwards, we are going to put in our vegetable spices, green pepper and onions, and any other spice you want. So you add in some salt afterwards. So after, we are going to add in our powdered spices, turmeric, curry powder, Reiko. For me, I mix them up together and put them in the stuff that I'm going to cook at once. Yes. So after, we are going to put in our pieces of bread that we chopped at first. So you put them there and you mix them up with the eggs, as you can see. So when the oil, you put in some oil in the frying pan or frying pan. So when it's ready, you do as I've done there so that the oil surrounds all the something. So when it's ready, you put in your eggs with the pieces of bread. Yes. So you give it low heat so that they don't burn up before they get ready. This is a simple recipe that you can try out when you don't want even to cook. It's a simple recipe that takes less than 5 minutes and you are done. And you get something to eat you get something for your stomach. So only 5 minutes, you are done. This recipe is really simple. Yes. You be turning the eggs so that all the sides get ready. Yes, as you can see what I'm doing. And I would like to thank all the subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. You really mean a lot to me. Thank you for supporting everything that I put there. Thank you for watching all my videos. Yeah, it means a lot, because it means that whatever I'm putting or whatever that I upload in my video is sense. Thank you so much. So as you can see, our eggs are ready. The scrambled eggs with the pieces of bread. It's a simple recipe that it comes out very well, as you can see, because yeah. Today, that's all I had for you in this recipe. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.